stuck in place without knowing that there's so much more for the taking. Oh, maybe it's time for something new. You're changing, so I'll change with you. Days go by so fast, let's make them last. Let's do more than we ever could. When we're together, things get better. It's a lifetime for good.
Wow!
Microwave package.
Uy! Wow! Thank you, thank you. Yun. Sira-sira na si Helmet.
Thank you, Daddy.
Nice.
We are together in life. Days go by so fast, let's make them last. Let's do more than we ever could. When we're together, things get better. It's a lifetime for good. Days go by so fast, let's make them last. Let's do more than we ever could. When we're together, things get better. It's a lifetime for good.
Rod at Joyce, ang kasal ay kadalasang inilalarawan bilang simula ng isang masayang kwento. Ang kasal ay hindi simula ng kwento. Ito ay pagpapatuloy ng isang desisyon na araw-araw kailangang piliin.
I don't know where I'd be without you. Was running through the dark till I found you. It feels like the first time that I'm breathing, feeling lighter than the wind. Now my world is spinning around you, like the stars.
Mag-schoolmate kami sa TIP, sumali kami sa isang club which is TIP Mountaineering Club.
Doon kami parang nag-match nung kami sa Mountaineering Club sa college.
So yun, nag-start na yung panliligaw niya sa akin noon. Actually, binasad ko siya 2 beses.
Marami siyang manliligaw eh. Pero, ayun, tiyaga lang. And yun, at ako yung kumbaga napili niya kahit pa paano.
I'm falling for you. Waited all my life for this moment.
For all the years we've spent together, it's a great honor to be standing here beside you, taking your hand in front of you. But if I ever cheat, I'll cheat death just to spend more time with you. If I ever steal, I'll steal your heart every single day. And if I ever lie, I'll lie next to you whenever I can. So thank you, Mami, for being the best thing that ever happened to my life.
Fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you.
At pag sinabing pagmamahal, minahal niyo pong pagkatao ng bawat isa, hindi lamang yung magandang katangian, kasama doon yung mga areas for improvements. Diba? At napakahalaga noon yung pagmamahalan ninyo sa isa't isa. Sinasalang-alang ninyo yung presensya ng Diyos sa inyong relasyon. Bawat hakbang na inyong gagawin ay patungo sa direksyon ng ating Panginoong Kristo. Tama, nagmamahalan kayo, pero tandaan nyo, bago pa kayo nagmahalan sa isa't isa, bago pa kayo minahal ng inyong mga magulang, unang nang minahal tayo ng Diyos.
The time has come, it's all begun, now and forever. With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever. Like the stars.
Dada, it's been 8 wonderful years with you. Naalala ko pa noon 2 beses kitang binasted. Pero heto tayo ngayon. Mabuti na lang makulit ka at mapagpursige. Lamesa Eco Park was my favorite date kasi that time, alam ko sa sarili kong ikaw na talaga. Hindi man naging madali, pero I always chose to forgive and will always will. I'm grateful for you. You're the calmest person I know. Literal na kapag magulo na ang mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahan ko. Sasamahan ka sa lahat ng trip mo. Mapa-games man yan o manood ng movies pa ulit. Pangako palagi ng may patatas ang adobo. Lalagyan ng kamatis ang corned beef. Palaging i-charge yung lowbat mong phone. And all the little things you like, I will always keep in mind. Wala ka ng rason para makalimutan ang wedding anniversary natin. Happiest birthday, Daddy. I love you.
I'm falling for you.